This video demonstrates the installation of the QuickFuse LC connector on 900 micron fiber using the QuickFuse toolkit with QuickFuse installer. The following tools will be used in this video: Kevlar shears, fiber stripper, fiber optic cleaning fluid, lint-free cleaning wipes, fiber holder, cleaver, and the QuickFuse installer. Here you can see an overview of the components in the connector kit. To start the process, slide the boot and sleeve onto the fiber. Next, pull off the sleeve, keeping the spring and protective cover on the fiber. Use the fiber holder as a guide to determine the strip length. Strip the 900 micron buffer using the middle notch and the strippers. Then strip the 250 micron primary coating using the notch closest to the handles. Clean the fiber with a lint-free wipe moistened with fiber optic cleaning fluid. Load the fiber into the QuickFuse tight buffer fiber holder. Make sure the buffer is flush with the end of the fiber holder. Push the carriage wheel to its starting point. Place the fiber holder in the cleaver. Make sure it is all the way forward. Push down on the cleaver lid to cleave the fiber. Power on the new QuickFuse installer. It's important to use the correct splice program based on the fiber being used. Tap the icon in the top left corner to open the settings panel. Tap Splice Program, then tap Auto. Make sure the appropriate program is selected based on whether single-mode or multi-mode fiber is being used. Tap the icon to the left corner to return to the home screen. Open the heater lid. Then open the wind protector. Place the fiber holder on the two pins on the left side of the installer. Make sure the fiber lays centered on the blue V-groove next to the electrodes. Open the ferrule holder lid. Open the ferrule subassembly package, taking care not to touch the fiber. Use the white handle to place the ferrule subassembly in the ferrule holder. Ensure the ferrule is centered in the holder before closing the lid. Gently close the wind protector, making sure not to pinch the fiber. The splice program will start automatically. The installer will beep and display pass when complete. Open the wind protector. Slide the protective sleeve and spring up to the fiber clamp. Open the left clamp, then the right. While keeping tension on the splice, remove it from the clamps and slide the protective sleeve over the fiber until it covers the smaller diameter on the ferrule hub. The protective sleeve should cover the smaller diameter of the ferrule hub, not the larger diameter. While keeping tension on the splice, place the assembly in the heater with the protective tube at the center. Place the right side first, then left. Make sure the protective sleeve does not move. The heater lid will close when the assembly hits the bottom of the heater. The heating cycle starts automatically when the lid closes. The heating cycle is complete after the orange progress bar completes and turns blue. The cooling cycle ends after the blue bar goes away. Open the heater lid and remove the assembly. Inspect the placement of the protective sleeve on the hub to verify the sleeve uniformly covers the smaller diameter of the hub. Slide the housing over the ferrule hub. For LC-APC connectors, make sure the red dot on the ferrule hub aligns with the latch. Push the housing and rear body together until they latch. Twist off or cut the plastic handle from the dust cap to complete the connector installation.